So yeah, so I'm gonna be doing this Pelican here. It's a Stealth Light 2410. Runs off of 4 AA batteries, and there's 183 lumens that run for about 5 hours and 45 minutes. So this is my second one of these. I get them from work, and so they're just our flashlight that we get from work and stuff. So I'll find a link for them off of Amazon or somewhere, and I'll put it on there. But mainly, you know, I've had this before and I lost mine, so I just got another one. I figured I'd just do a review because the other one lasted a long time, and until the operator lost it. That would be me. Haha. But they, it's a good security little flashlight. It'd be great to have in your toolbox, and you know, for anybody that does stuff. It's got a little tassel on it, so if you wanted to hook it to a backpack with a permeator, you definitely could. One thing I noticed that a friend of mine at work was saying is if you look here on the back, you see the directions of the batteries, plus and minus and such. That'd be the only thing when you put them in there. Just make sure you got it going the right way, because it won't work obviously, and then you know somebody will be sad that their LED flashlight doesn't work. But you know, we'll make sure we try to put it in the right way. You know, operator error happens, and you would think you would check it if you put it in the wrong way, but sometimes they don't. So. But yeah, no, I'll use it around, drop it. I've dropped them from a couple stories, and it works fine. These things are good. The only problem that I did notice with when I have it, so you got to shake it around sometimes. Well, where the batteries go on the bottom down here, it was the little piece of metal to complete the circuit would pop out of the middle. So sometimes I had to take a long flathead to lay it right on there. You know, that's after like 4 years of use that it did that. So if you're a little more gentler than I am with them, it might not have a problem. But that's a great light for what it is, and yeah, it's really bright at night, so it does what you need to do. I think this thing said how far it would reach and such. So the light should go about 184 meters, and that's what it looks like here on the wall. Granted, this is bright, but for utility work flashlight, this is great. Like I said, get one of these for your toolbox. You won't be disappointed, you know. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching.